Hello Year 1. I just thought I'd run through a phonics lesson just in case any of you are unsure what to do. So I'm looking at Friday the 8th of January and our phonics for today, the focus is phase 5 and we're practicing using phase 2 and phase 3 sounds for blending, which is reading, and segmenting, which is spelling. So the second slide says quickfire phase 2 and phase 3 grapheme flashcards. So let's sound out these together. Og, frog. Bus, bus. Ab, it, rabbit. Og, log. King. Owl, owl. Off, moth. Zip, zip. Queen, queen. Book, book. Feather. Okay, the next slide says read these tricky words from phase 2, 3 and 4. So we have I, then, children, mum, now and little. You could practice writing them on a whiteboard as well or a piece of paper. Then we get on to today's grapheme, which is ow, spelt with the OU letters, which also is the same sound as ow that we had in our quickfire phonics. Same sound, different letters. The next slide says practice reading these ow words, and I've underlined the ow digraph in those words. So the first one we have ow. So you could practice sounding out those words and blending them. Out, out. Pound, pound. Ab, out, about, and so on. The next slide says roll a die or use the virtual die, and in this one we roll the die and then whichever number of dots the die ends up at, you read the sentence that corresponds. So if you roll a 3, you would read out number 3, can a mouse climb up a mountain? Can a mouse climb up a mountain? Some of them are questions and some of them are just sentences. The next slide says practice reading these phase 5 words. So I've just put some common words that you will come across in your phase 5 reading. And the next slide is where we swap our red and blue words. It's called sentence substitution. So if I write out that sentence, Kay must pay for her new bike. So you'll notice that some of the words are written in blue and some of the words are written in red. And you can swap the red words for the red words and the blue words for the blue words. So I'm going to swap on this one the word K, which is written in red, for another red word, which is this one, and then we change the sentence. We could also swap the other red word at the end, bike, and replace that with the word toy and make a new sentence. Jean must pay for her new toy. Okay, moving on. The next one is our funny one, which says copy these questions and write the answers. So you would write out the yes or no question and then write the answer. Some of them are very silly. The first one says, would you like to wave a magic wand? And then the second one is, would you put ice cream in the freezer? And then you can decide yes or no as your answer. And the next one is a slightly new format, which we haven't done in class, where we have sentences with 3 correct answers. And the first one that we're doing today says, which are names for girls? And you have 4 words, and then 3 of them are the correct answers. And then we finish just by talking about the sound of the digraph that we've learnt today, which is ow. I hope that helps you.